YouTube, what's going on? I am Sneaker God Status. Bump all that. Today we got two quick Adidas pickups. First one's going to be a Superstar 2. This is the Muhammad Ali collaboration. I know you guys are like, I've never seen these before. They do exist. Nobody knew about them. There was like maybe one or two posts that I seen, but that's not how I found out about them. I was just scrolling shoe pals one day, and there they were. They were just sitting there. So, yes, I did get both pairs. This is the brown pair. See if we can get some nice visuals. Very nice shoe. Look at the detail. This is probably one of the most slept on sneaker collaborations of last year. It did take a while for them to come in, but I am quite satisfied with the quality. Now, I will tell everybody, if you do plan to pick these up from Shoe Palace, I must warn you, these do not fit like the regular Adidas Superstar 2s. They are slightly tight. You will have to break them in. So I'm just letting you know, this is a very dope shoe. Very, very attentive to the details. Would I say the leather is premium? I would think so, because this is almost like upper echelon. Yeah. These were 110. I mean, comes with a little boxing glove, keychain. They do come with a pair of cream laces. Make sure I show that as well. Boom. I probably will put them in at some point, but right now, I just want to look at them. I know Adidas has been taking my money lately. And I am not brand loyal to anybody. So if it's a nice shoe, if I can get them, they're as good as got. All right. I think these are still available on shoepalace.com. These are a size 14. And as I said, like right in this area here, there's a slight pinch. But I do believe that once I do wear these, they will likely break in. Very dope pickup. Very, very slept on. I think people are going to really regret not knowing about this particular collaboration. We'll just put it to the side. There were two pairs. That's the brown pair. It's the white pair. My wife also has the white pair as well. She did not like the brown ones, but I did. Now these, I think everybody likes more, which I could see. I mean, they're both pretty versatile. I mean, you really can't go wrong with either shoe. Like, you really can't go wrong. But I would not be mad if people preferred the white pair over the brown pair. Check out the detail. Very nice. Now, these are in the size 13 because when I went back to get the white pair, the size 14 was already gone. But I said, you know what? I'm going to go to the store, try on a pair of Superstar 2s, and that should help me gauge how they're going to fit. Even though the 14 is a little snug, surprisingly, this shoe has the same amount of snug, but like a better level of comfort. I don't know how that's even possible. I don't know if they didn't make a lot of these and just hope that people were going to pick them up. But these were not limited at all. I wonder if they slightly rushed the quality a little bit as far as the fit, because I'm telling you, right up in here, that has to get worked a lot. Yeah, man. Adidas is getting too much of my money right now. I've been buying low profile sneakers lately. My Jordan 1s are getting a long overdue rest. The older I get, the less comfortable they've really started to become. Look at the detail. I want to make sure that's captured. Let's see if I can. Not a lot of. That's nothing right home about right here. But I still like the detail. These also came with additional laces. Gold tip cream laces. The 3 stripes of patent leather. Get that right there. Make sure we get it together. Here we go. I do believe this is a collaboration between the estate for Muhammad Ali, Adidas, and Shoe Palace. You can't go wrong with either pair. Do not sleep on these. Do not sleep on these. Yep. I think that's really all I can really say about them. I will go true to size. You know, for those that are going to wonder, please go true to size. You know, if you wear a 13, I would definitely get the 13. If you can get a 14, I would definitely get the 14. I would not go down a size in these at all. I'm still contemplating whether I'm going to wear them or just keep them in the collection, because I was a huge advocate for the boxing legacy of Muhammad Ali. I also watched his daughter Layla Ali box when I was a kid. And do y'all remember the Adidas commercial where it was Layla in the ring sparring with her dad? I thought that was pretty dope. That's throwback for you. But let's get into this last pickup for today. I bought these at Nordstrom. See if we can get this in focus. The shoes that everybody's going crazy about. They're calling the BW Army. Some of us know these as the German Army trainer. Yeah. Found these at Nordstrom for $120. I've already tried these on. These are very comfortable. These are a size 14, perfect for my size. I have a purple pair in the size 13. It's a close fit, but it's doable. But I like the room I have in the size 14. Only downside, besides the box being completely thrashed, is that these did not come with additional laces. So now I got to search for some cream laces that match the type of flat laces that came in this pair. I know people are going crazy over these because they remind them of the Mason Margiela replicas. If you can say that 3 times. These are supposed to be the original. I think once the Berlin Wall fell, all the German Army trainer shoes that were white with the gun bottom, I think they were all shipped out and supposed to be thrown in the trash, but someone found artistic inspiration and decided to make a $750 shoe out of them. But I'm glad that Adidas took their own shoe and put it back on the market for $120. I think that's pretty neat. The leather on here is pretty good. Check out the size tag. I've got some more coming. A lot of channels are going to tell you you should go down the size and all that kind of stuff. I'm going to tell you the opposite. You should go true to size. Don't worry about the heel slippage. You'll be just fine, because most of you are going to wear these with some baggy pants anyway. I mean, I would consider these like driving shoes because of the low profile. That's just me. So yeah, those are my latest pickups. Let me know what you guys think. And we'll be back with some more pickups soon. Deuces.